Hi, I'm Pam Skinner, owner of Picky Pam at the Beach and School of Lice.
Hi, I'm Dr. Matt with Elevated Health, and I'm the medical advisor for Picky Pam at the Beach and School of Lice. And here's the question of the day.
Does mayonnaise kill lice? So does mayonnaise kill lice? Probably the #1 question about products that we get asked. So I'm going to tell you, the short answer is we don't recommend it, but I'm going to tell you why people believe that it does. So lice have what's called sphericals. They don't have lungs, they don't breathe, they don't hold their breath, but they do use oxygen. So the sphericals take oxygen in, out, in, out. And the premise of any of these fatty products, olive oil for lice, peanut butter, mayonnaise, Vaseline, anything like gummy or fatty like that, the premise is that it clogs the spherical and it suffocates the louse because it can't get oxygen. But the truth is that people don't realize they can close the spherical for 6, 8, 10, 12 hours. So they close those, I think of it like a porthole. They close the porthole, people put the mayonnaise on, wash it out in 6 or 8 hours, and they open the spherical and off they go. Plus it absolutely doesn't kill the eggs. So it's just really not recommended. We have much better solutions than that.